Hey people, back with another fishing video. Today we're at Barwon Heads in the river. I'm not going to go out the front today, it's a bit rough, but I'm just going to get straight into it and I'll see you out in the water.
Mullet. Ivan Mullet. Lift it right in the boat before you.
Jeez, he didn't hook very.
No, it's not Trevally.
Trevally.
Whoa, come here, Trevor. Come here. Trevor.
That's a decent one.
He's a nice Trevor.
Yeah.
Hear it?
Oh, one bites.
These little hooks are good because the bigger hooks will disappear real quick. I've got to use one rod because they're just looking at the boat. Oh, lucky you didn't get that big bit of sleeve, eh? Till you're going by?
Yeah, I was dodging it.
If you don't get them, they leave your rod straight back in the water because they chase it, whether it's a valley or... Get him?
Yeah.
Because they chase it, the mullet chase it. That might be trevally.
No. Salmon.
I never even caught one of these last time. Let's see what size he is. He's 18.
Oh, I've got an idea. I've got an idea. Put this. Oh, I took it right,
So you put your other little that little minnow on, you flick that, I reckon you'll get them. The same one you got before. Did you get that on the lure?
No.
Oh.
I should try a lure actually. I can lure
Gives him out, quick.
by stick. I'll just get rid of this bait. Try
Leave the bait on. Good for next time. Trouble is when you fish like this, and then you're coming in, you don't get much bites. It seems that's not bad size mullet. Some whiting would be too.
I hooked up to a big tailor right at the boat, way bigger than 60 I reckon, but lost it, cut me off. But now we're just at the head, the front, not right out, just out where stick is. Trying to get a few salmon since our spot's gone a bit quiet, just waiting for the tide to come in. But hopefully, we're just casting a bit of lures, hopefully something gets to the end of it, but see you soon. Alright people, we're just about to pack up now. We didn't have any luck on the water today. We'll just make this into a short video, just didn't do too well. It's a bit rough to go out the front anyway. Yeah, just about to pack up now, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.